DKHOT jang ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress Committee bat ka National Students Union of India NSUI Meghalaya kilaya kendo lang ha ka South TARIK NOHPRAH PYNSHAI HALOR ka JINGLONG JINGMAN kini ki SENG ha ka Jylla. President ka East Khasi Hills Youth Congress usamla ban phira ba sa yawmoj habaya kren bat kilat pathai kubor ha ka te ka sngi ulaya thu ba ka daw jong ka jingmi seng badang shen jong ki DKHOT ka party kalong namar ka jing thrang jong ki bandon ha ka bor om namar ka jingkala ha ka liang kam ka SENG Congress.
We are moving in all parts of the state to make sure that more youths are enrolled. This election process is multidimensional. This is not just for the sake of enrolling members. Our first aim is to create an awareness among the youth regarding their roles in the society. The second is to make sure that they have the tenacity to work for the society. And thirdly, they work for the party, they work according to the principles of the party, and to stay strong as youth and be the future leaders that the country needed. What happened with yesterday's resignation, we can go back to the event happening the last two weeks maybe, where we've seen a number of people leaving the Congress. We've seen a number of youth leaders leaving the Congress. They are leaving the party not because the party has changed the ideology of the party. The Congress continues to be a pluralistic party. It is a secular party. It has never changed its ideology. The main reason that they leave the party because they know there is a threat to their position in the party. That is why they are creating this drama. They are creating the circus every day, and I'm sure in these coming days they'll come up with more activities that will take up our time. We have more pressing issues, I feel. The press is the fourth pillar of the democracy, of our society, of nation building, and I know the press will decide what is best to cover.
Nakaliang ka NSUI Meghalaya, layalam do usamla puli arkin warjri, ubalayat hu ba ka NSUI ha Meghalaya, kadangyeng scam bat Shym la no, kumla keno da ki para DKHOT ka SENG, kibalami no ladang shen, nakate ka SENG ki kena puli jong ka SENG Congress.
Di metas ni ngasuan ni ban PYNSHAI si ki pat lingbat ni ki lat thai kubor. Ba khamwan ni ban kentho yano bat kren sniu yano. Metas ni ngasuan ban PYNSHAI tang ka statement ka balami ha ka press ba ngai i ba KNSUI barokhot kilak mi lut hendrei kata statement ka dei ka bomde ka statement ni ngasuan ni ban PYNSHAI ba ka NSUI kadang don. But kini ki members jong yiru badalang sadiang idang bun ha West Khasi Hills for South West Khasi Hills but ha East Khasi Hills but abun ki jaka KNSUI idang don but idang yai trade ya kakam hot KNSUI la dissolve ki KNSUI ndrei mlele ya kata ngin sai reconstitute ya KNSUI but ki members jong yi ngin sa submit ki kerteng sa Delhi but ngin sa form no la ka jong ka unit hot ki ang ba lada ka link ka ngam kam dile lada kangiem kalam nyindang yai trei nyindang yai yach khmat nyindang yai yach pra mangin trei ya kanika kam jongi we will not give up so easily te yaki para samla jongaru ke NSUI ki blami no makin bok ke ruang iki makin nang yai trei ya kam ya kajam te takum tahi but nyindang yai penthmai kini kinong ke kam hakini ki sngi ki banwan kingin saya submit no ki kerteng sadali te takum tahi. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. Tang tahi publish pun.